friends of Splendor Technology, please give me a like, subscribe, and visit our new website. So here I have in my computer the new Windows 11. Here in the description I will give you also a link to download the Windows 11. So here we see the taskbar. We have a different icons. For example, we see the File Explorer, the Microsoft Store, etc. But it's almost the same. Okay, it's almost the same. So here I recommend you to have a computer with core 7, 5, or 9, no core 3, because if you install with a computer with core 3, it will be slow. So Windows 11 will be slow for you, and you can enjoy the experience of Windows 11. So I recommend, for example, now I have a computer of core 7 and work very well, Windows 11. But if you have an Asian computer, if you have the money, you can buy a computer with install the Windows 11. But there's no difference, not so much difference of the Windows 10. But I recommend you to install because it's more with technology. Okay, so so I will give you a link to download the information of Windows 11, and so see you in the next time.